Hello, in this video we'll be comparing display brightness of Samsung S23 and iPhone 15. And to do this, first let's open our settings and here enter display and brightness. I have True Tone disabled for iPhone and on the Galaxy S23. The adaptive brightness is also turned off, and there's also option to enable extra brightness, and we're gonna check it later. And both of the devices have the light beam. So now let's go back and open the same page on both of them. And I'm gonna turn off the lights so everything becomes much darker now. Now let's try to adjust the brightness. Now they are at the same point. Let's go full. And now let's try to enable the extra brightness. And as you can see, when it comes to the maximum brightness, Samsung Galaxy S23 wins. And now let's try to turn off the brightness to the lowest. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.